Dancer Dip Gad recently competed in the Boom Better Than Dance competition. He shares his entertainment journey in our FiWi Culture segment. Dip.
Yeah, man, up in a man.
Welcome to the show, my general. What's going on?
Man.
From St. Elizabeth to the world, alright?
Yeah, man, and I lie.
That is it, my general. So first things first, I give the people a crash course to learn some more about Dip Gad.
Yeah, man.
First things first, again.
Yeah.
Stage name of Dip Gad, but what the name of Mummy and Daddy give you?
Them are Rose.
Them are Rose.
Yeah,
and again, which part of Senti you forward from?
Aberdeen.
You want more. We on the same tight time for sure. You on my mind like you've been here before. I see one too many.
You have entered quite a few dancing competitions, including the Boom Red Bull Dancing Dynamite. You expound.
So why I enter these competitions, you know, you ask me why, but these competitions build me. You know, it's a part of my growth journey. So I start out on TikTok and my confidence high. I tell you honest truth, my confidence high, but more while when I'm joining these battles, I practice and things, but when I reach on the dance floor, I'm kind of nervous. You see me? But I enter these competitions to be a part of my growth journey. So I'll be a part of Dancehall Maker.
Okay.
You know, and then Boom Better Than come in, I join Boom Better Than, and then Red Bull Dance Style, I get picked to the to reach the finals, you know.
Out of all the competitions, what has been your fondest memory?
Fondest memory, Red Bull Dance Style.
And that's when you're going in the finals?
Yes, yeah. We're going to the finals. You know, when me, carry out my little granny and carry out on the stage and, you know...
That's in your actual grandma?
No, not my actual grandma. I build a stick.
Okay.
Me and my friend build a stick and something, I put it on my dress and we have an ugly face, I put it on it and I say, yo, you have to grab the crowd. I mean, I don't know, I carry out my thing and me dance with it because I'm a youth. I know if I improv props in my performance. I carry out my prop and I dance with my grandmother and I slide and I jump and then thing there. So that really, you know, it really gave me that type of look there and thing when I did a look for and thing. When I joined Boom Better Than the finals night, I just put on my all, I just go there hungry.
Yes.
I'm always hungry. First I go there and I feel so hungry. I say, I need a win here, I need it. And I win it.
That is it.
And that was my drive. You want to big up all DFT, you know? Yeah, man, Joel Immortal, you know, AJ Gov, Master Grove, Crazy Shellings, yeah, man.
Do you have a goal one day to create your own dance crew? Similar to, you know, the highest of the highs, like the Ravers?
Yeah, the highest of the highest, you know?
Feels right. We're chasing nothing, just the rhythm of time.
How easy has social media made dancing, the career of entertainment for dancers?
You know, say, it make it kind of good though. It make it kind of easy because, yeah, you don't know you dance to majority of songs and anything there, but you don't know you gotta just feel out the melody of song and anything there, but the song them, they ain't good.
Defended the makeup of Fenty, she said for the trend. Because Killy Bang read you, not pretend team style so different. Each rhyme sufficient. You said, in great, alright.
You have any routines where the people may know?
Me have routines, me have moves.
Yeah.
I have 5 moves right now.
Okay.
I have one angle.
Yeah.
I have rock and point.
Okay.
Rock and point. I have WhatsApp.
Alright.
WhatsApp advance.
Yeah.
And I have God touch, you know. And I have many more moves. Don't come out of the closet. You don't know them couple hits them you have, you know.
That is
you
it.
know, I mean, I push out there.
Before you leave, I make the people know where them can find you on all your social media platforms, where them can book you. Anything at all you want to promote?
Yeah,
let
man.
them know.
So my Instagram is dipgad_1 and my TikTok is dipgad_. You see me? Yeah, man, you can check me out on them socials there, you see me, if you want to book me. Yeah, so that is it.
Alright, Dip.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Bro.
Man,
Keep up the good work.
Always,
bro, God on time, yeah?
Yeah, man, God on time, man, bro, man.
We're out.
Oh.
The UA Integration Thursdays recently kicked off, and this year they've added a king and queen of integration for UA students to battle for cash and prizes. Dre was there, so Dre, over to you, my bro.
Alright, so your artist name is KJ.
Yes, sir.
And what is your real name?
Kyle Brown.
And Kyle, what are you studying here at UA?
I'm studying civil engineering.
What's your reason for participating in this exercise?
I always been interested in art, so writing, music and stuff like that. So for the past couple of years, I got really interested in music. I realized that I had a skill that I really wanted to work at, a talent that I wanted to put to use. So I used this opportunity to kind of build myself up, to get to a level where I can make something of myself in the music industry.
It's a new experience for me, and I'm very welcoming to this experience because you really need to get out of your comfort zone. You can't just get up every day and just in the studio and just by yourself. You need to get out there and really experience what it really means to be an artist, you know?
I'm studying social work, final year student.
Which hall are you affiliated with?
That would be the Taylor Hall, big up Black D Attica.
What was the reason for entering the Kings and Queen of Integration?
Well, I always look forward for a chance to express my talent and work on my skills. And the only way that you can work on it is by stepping out. So I saw the opportunity and I just took it.
The reason I entered this competition is because I want to be a singer professionally, and I know that I'm not the best, but that is one of my goals, to be one of the best in Jamaica. So I came here to improve myself and improve my art.
Well, my main reason, is to develop my skill, my artist skills, right, in terms of like vocal, lyrics capability, and my confidence as well. So just me overall as an artist, as an upcoming artist, dancehall artist to be specific.
What are you hoping to achieve from this exercise?
As I said before, exposure, of course. I just want to showcase my talent, people listen. Yeah, just that.
The competition that we have right now is the Kings and Queens of Integration. So what that means is we present a platform for all student artists for them to develop their craft so that when they leave university they have already developed, so they're ready for the industry. So we have 5 rounds. So we had the first round since night, which was just an introductory round. So we officially start the competition next week, which is round 2. And each week we have 2 persons falling out of that round until we reach the finals, where we have a head-to-head battle with 2 persons. So the aim of this exercise is to just really improve student engagement while developing student artists.
Alright folks, that is how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your host Nalda Adi, and this is Dre. Dre, man, not lie, isn't it good to get a break from the sun once in a while?
Definitely cool, and it's a good break from the sun.
Alright, Barbican Massive, be up on yourself, you were great, and until next time, take care of yourself.